Who do we have here today?
Bob.
Nikki.
Jaden.
What are we doing today, guys?
Jumping out of an airplane, man.
Heck
Skydiving
yeah.
with strangers. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
It's your fault if this goes wrong. Are we celebrating anything?
Yes.
Yeah, engagement. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we are.
So
yeah.
taking the plunge before taking the plunge.
That's it.
If we don't make it to the other plunge,
Then there's no plunge.
any last words, final
After.
comments, confessions?
Love you guys.
Oh, yeah, we love you.
I wasn't expecting to do this.
Do you trust this guy to throw you out?
I trust this man with my life now.
Crazy.
He looks pretty
You guys trust me to throw you out?
Absolutely.
You're both crazy
Let's
too.
do it.
It's always the same for me. Computer, telephone, burned all buried in the desert. The wife can have everything else. High five.
Yep.
Let's go.
Yes. Ah, I like it.
Here we go. Here we go.
Woo!
All right, guys, you ready for this? Y'all are crazy.
Born ready.
You guys are way more crazy.
Have some fun. High five.
Yeah, hell yeah.
High five. Here we go.
Surreal. This isn't even, I never expected to see or do something like this. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. Let's do the parachute jump? Sure. What is that? Oh, holy. Welcome back to Earth. Woo! That was fucking awesome. Oh, fuck yeah, dog.
Alright, man, you just jumped out of an airplane.
Fucking hell, I did.
How you feeling?
Crossed something off the bucket list.
Yeah.
I feel just a bit stronger today.
Heck yeah,
you know,
dude.
I appreciate you.
Of course.
You fucking helped me do that shit today.
Fuck yeah, that was super fun, dude. What was your favorite part?
Oh, but honestly, probably the initial drop. It just, it took my heart straight out of my throat.
Yo.
As soon as I was able to actually open my eyes and I could like let myself let go of the fear, you know, it was just insane to see the landscape. I've seen Colorado in a new way today.
Hell yeah, dude.
It was awesome, man.
That's
I loved
so
it.
sick. Would you do it again?
Yeah. I 100% would, honestly.
Sick.
I take back what I said. First time, not the last. So.
Heck yeah, thanks for jumping loose, man.
Yeah. Appreciate it.